I'll show you the colors I used. This will be the base color. These colors are used for drawing plaid pattern. This time I use brown, yellow, white, gold. You can choose the colors you want. Let's apply base color first. This is after 2 layers. Let's cure it and start drawing. Let's start from brown color. Looks good. Let's cure. Let's draw yellow lines next. White lines next. Change the brush to liner brush. We want to draw thinner lines this time. Good. This will be the last color we use. We are almost there. Stay with me. Draw thin lines. Cute. Let's apply top coat. Now I want to add a pearl and little gold dot. Cute. Thanks for watching.